All right, y'all. So this next problem here says, can we find the equation of a circle in standard form? Okay, so y'all, if you remember what we're trying to do here, the standard form, y'all, looks like this. X minus h all squared, y minus k all squared is equal to r squared. Okay, so y'all, first thing I'm gonna do, it's actually already kind of set up for me. I want to group my x's together, so I'm going to put x squared minus 6x. Y'all, I am going to leave a little bit of a space here, and then I'm going to put y squared, which we already have, 14y, which we already have. I'm going to have a little space over there. Now, this number 42, y'all, I do want to move it to the other side, so it's going to become a negative 42. Okay, so that's step one. Write it with this 42 on the other side, and to leave some spaces here and here. Okay. Second step, y'all. We're going to take the number in front of the x. Okay, so the number in front of my x, y'all, negative 6. Okay, so this is step number 2. Negative 6. We're going to divide it by 2. That gives me negative 3. Then we're going to take that number, negative 3. We're going to square it. We're going to get the number 9. And I'm going to put a plus 9 right here, y'all. And I'm going to put a plus 9 right over there. Okay. Y'all, just like we did this with the number in front of the x, we're going to repeat that process with the number in front of the y. I'm going to take the number in front of the y, 14. I'm going to divide it by 2. That's 7. Then we're going to take the number 7. We're going to square it. We're going to get 49. I'm going to add a 49 here, y'all. I'm going to add a 49 here. Okay. All right, step number 3, y'all. We're going to factor, okay? So, y'all, I'm going to walk you through the process. Remember, from something like this, y'all, what I'm trying to do when I'm going to factor this guy, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 9 and add up to a negative 6. What about a negative 3 and a negative 3, right? And then I'm going to factor this part too, y'all. So look, I'm going to go y here and y here. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to 49 and add up to 14. What about 7 and 7? And then, let's see, what do we have here? 49 minus 42 is 7. 7 plus 9, 16. Okay. Y'all, one thing I want you to notice about this part right here, x minus 3 and x minus 3, my friends, we can write this as x minus 3 squared. Y plus 7 and y plus 7, we can write this, y plus 7 squared is equal to 16. So they're asking us to rewrite it in standard form. This right here, my friends, is our standard form. X minus 3 squared, y plus 7 squared is equal to 16. Okay. Remember, y'all, when we're looking at the form here, the center is just the point H and K. But if you notice how we have minus signs here, we need to change these signs to get our center. So y'all, I'm going to change these signs to get my center. So that says a minus 3, I'm going to go a positive 3. That says a positive 7, I'm going to do a negative 7. Y'all, the last number is the radius being squared. So we want to find the radius. We're going to take the square root of 16, and that's going to give us 4. Okay. Y'all, one thing I want to mention right here, when we factor this right here, I want you to notice the number inside my box before I squared it, same number right there. The number inside my box before I squared it, same number right there. That's the shortcut. Okay. You got any questions?